There it is, sealed.
Oh, holy moly. Look at that.
And you can see a little bit of the slime where it's come through and completely sealed up. No bubbling, no air coming out, no bubbles coming with the water. Perfectly sealed. Very good.
Okay, now we're just going to do a little quick air check.
To see how much air we lost.
And we're about 46.
So we lost about 4 pounds of air pressure.
After doing all that, yeah, and that's by spinning it with our heads.
Yeah. So if it was punctured on the road and it was already driving, it would seal up instantly and virtually no air would escape.
No air. We just seal like that.